So I'm gonna use this as my base. Since nagising tayo ng maaga today, I'm gonna use, this is my foundation for today. Get ready with me. Then gonna put in sunscreen and pants. Since sobrang dry ng face ko on this part, ayan. Let that sink in. Mahirap talaga yung pag matagal ka nang wala sa school. Pero yeah, I'm currently studying my masters right now. And nung high school kasi, mas nahasa yung sa vocabulary natin at Tishans kasi I speak English all the time. Yan ang laging, that's our motto, right? And kapag hindi ka nag-speak in English, meron kang, magbabayad ka ng 1 real or 5 reals as far as I remember. And since ayaw mo nga magbayad ng ganun kamahal, I mean, oo, mahal na yun ngayon. Magkano ng reals ngayon sa palitan? Then I'm gonna use my powder. I use this for my MAC. Teka. I use this for my MAC, pero gagamitin ko rin for L'Oreal since for foundation naman talaga tong ano na to, powder, I mean brush. It kinda naano lang siya sa ano ko. This is Absidy brush, and I don't know if it was on sale. We bought it for a set. Then nakakuha ko ng pouch. Set namin siya nakuha. So ayan, ang daming patches on my skin kasi nga sobrang dry niya. So I added in hindi na ako magdadagdag since work from home naman tayo. Then ang powder ko will be MAC Studio Fix. Thank you Papa and Mama. My sponsors. So I'm gonna use in this brush for setting in. Ayan o, meron pa siyang ano, konting, as you can see, meron pa siyang powder na ano. Kasi sinasabi ko, this one is medyo stiff siya na brush. So this one is good for liquid foundation. If I use this one for setting powder, sabi ni ate kasi mamumuo, tsaka mabilis maubos yung setting powder dito sa foundation na ganito. I mean foundation brush na ganito. So sabi ni ate, it's better to use this, yung ganitong powder brush, para hindi masayang yung setting. And this is MAC. And to be honest, with this liquid infallible, ito yung ginamit ko nung ano ko, medyo hindi lang siya, medyo orangey siya sa skin ko. I don't know, for whatever reason. Nag-iba na yung ano ng skin ko. Nag-iba na yung what do you call this? Yeah, that's better. Iba na yung ito. So I've already used in the MAC. Hindi, to be honest with this one, ito yung ginamit ko ng graduation ko ng college. You don't need a lot of powder for this one. Kaya tamang gamit ako ng MAC ngayon para, and hindi rin masasayang kasi this foundation, it doesn't need much powder na. So yun. So set ko lang. Ganun lang. Ito yung nagagawa ng pag maaga ka nagigising. Konti lang. But then I also have my BYS powder here. Wow. It's working perfectly fine din naman. But I don't need much powder today. So we're gonna go in with contour. I'm not gonna put sobrang orange na sa skin ko. It doesn't match my skin that much. Mas darker siya sa skin ko. And to be honest, super matte ng face ko right now. So gagamit lang ako ng powder contour to contour my face. So that's how I do it, how I do things, how I do my face now. And siguro brows lang, then lipstick. My go-to pa rin na foundation, mas mahal yung MAC, pero iba pa rin talaga yung finish ng Infallible sa face ko. Kasi talagang na-set niya, and I really like the matte effect sa face ko since sobrang oily ko dito sa part na to, sa T-zone ko, to be honest. Actually, hindi na dito lang, banda. Sobrang oily ko. So, yun lang. Yun lang ang so this is how I do my face. Sabi nila ganyan daw eh. On this part, dyan mo ialagay yung wala kasi akong what do you call that? Spoolie? Yung pang ano ng ano, this pang ano ng ano, yung pang, and I don't even have na nga din yung pang ano sa brows ko. Kasi I usually put concealer here, above here, but then I don't have the brush anymore since, ayun nga. And lipstick. Am I gonna go with Anastasia or Deviant? Or what about this one? She Glam. Bilhin sa akin ni Mama from Saudi. I don't wanna go full red today, kaya ito na lang. Tamang pink lang. It looks fine. Wala ako nung I even have this BYS liquid foundation. It works fine din naman on me, and it's, I don't know if it's matte or mas matte yung isa. I don't actually use it anymore. Kailan ba expiration ito? Made under license in China. And curl ko lang yung eyelashes ko. So that's how I do things. And let's use this. Ito yung Jelly Bomb na BYS. Ang bango kasi niya, kaya ko siya binili. Pero bronzer siya. So yan. Ito lang. Then here, oh, it works perfectly good. And here. Sabi nila lagyan din dito. And lastly, my go-to pearl earrings. So this is my look. So this is now the effect. Hagardo beso sana. So mabilis ng ever since I stopped taking isotretinoin, doon na nagpa-purge out yung pimples ko. When I was in college, I used to take isotretinoin, kaya sobrang puti, ang kinis, makeup perfect when I was in college. Pero ngayon, I stopped using isotret kasi hindi naman na ganun ka solid yung breakouts ko compared nung when I was in elementary and high school, solid talaga yung tigout ko sa mukha. So, ito na yung effect nung L'Oreal Infallible. Hindi siya kasing greasy ni MAC na solid yung MAC. So, yun. Basta solid yung sa MAC. Mag-oily yung face ko. Maybe it's because I've been out all day. And ito kasing L'Oreal. Ngayon ko lang nagamit. And hindi naman ako ganun ka pinagpawisan. So, let's take it off now. Look at L'Oreal on my camera. Camera ready talaga. Pero in person, you can see na may foundation talaga ako. Parang skin finish lang siya in camera. There's a lot of difference. So with lighting, ganun eh. Kapag you wanna be camera ready, you're gonna put in a good lighting. Of course, a good camera. And a good angle. So, let's just make it. Yun. So, chika-chika. Let's take it off. There's not much difference naman with look. Ang kapal. There's not much difference daw. In person, you will see a lot of difference. Wala na rin yung shade glam ko na lipstick. Thank you to Pure Derm. Solid. Subok na to. I look mature and with makeup on, really. Minsan mas gustong wala akong makeup, sa totoo lang, kasi when I run, pag nagpapapawis ako, I like it better kapag na ganun yung skin ko. Where was I? So yun nga. My skin looks really mature with the makeup on. And I'm wiping too much. I don't know. Ayan, sobrang dull na nung ko. As in, maputla ako sobra. When I go out, I usually just put lipstick on and sunscreen kasi ayoko na talaga nagme-makeup eh. I'm already comfortable with my own skin. Even with the pimples on, I barely use filters on my photos kasi I just want to be me. I just want to be real. I used to have that insecurity kasi yung kapag hindi clear skin yung ko sa picture. Ayun. So, I got really comfortable with bare naked face. Mas gusto ko siyang pinagpapawisan when I'm running, when I'm in the gym. Kasi mas nade-detoxify yung a lot of toxins in our body. And right now, okay, going back to my age, I'm 29 and I have fatty liver and I just got my lab results solid. Alarming daw. But I was in a boiled egg diet. Kaso yung lab results ko, mas tumaas. So, boiled egg pala has a lot of cholesterol. Kasi nililimit ko yung rice intake ko and breakfast intake. Kasi I really wanna lose and help my body. Yon. Putol-putol naman kasi. So, ayan, komportable na akong ganito. Lalabas ako, naka-lipstick lang. Yun lang. At saka, I got this really small white bumps on my face and I really think na it was the makeup that I used to use before. So, ngayon siya naglabasan and hindi naman ganun kalala yung nangyari sa mukha ko. Kasi I still go and run and go to the gym. what else? So, this is me without the makeup on. I'm still comfortable. I'm way comfortable without the makeup on, really. Pero it's still, 'di ba? Self-love, makeup lang.